I'm just so happy for you. I'm happy for both of us. I mean, I remember talking about this all through high school, talking about going out to California come graduation. And now, after talking about it for years, we're finally here. And I mean, along the way, it was very unclear how exactly we were gonna do this. But I'm so happy we figured it out. There was a lot of good times and a lot of not so good times leading up to this point. But it feels so good to be exactly where you said you were going to be 5-6 years ago, despite all the people who said it was unlikely.
I want to be super real. It's coming around time where it's like time for me to leave. It's like 50 days or so, and I just came to collect money from someone who owed money, and they looked me in the eyes and they told me, it's like, look, I'm gonna be honest with you, I think that you should honestly stay back and not go to LA. And dude, bro, it hurt me to hear it because like everyone's saying it and you think I would be used to it, but I'm not used to hearing that by no means. At this point, there's no more sitting around waiting. I know I'm gonna go out there and I know it's gonna be the hardest and most scariest shit I've ever done in my life. I have to do this. I have to.
Like things that I enjoy, things that aren't necessarily productive, I'm willing to sacrifice those things because I know it's gonna take the nitty gritty to get where I want to be. I'm doing this to find what I'm capable of.
One of the first things I'm kind of realizing about moving here is the one thing I kind of didn't want to even really think about is loneliness. I definitely do feel lonely at the moment. I mean, I left everyone I know. It's not gonna be fucking easy, man. I'm gonna have to do more than I've really ever done, because I've never really done anything. So, yeah.
You ready?
As I'll ever be.
Let's do this. Woo!
Action!
You ready?
It took you an hour.
Bro, I still can't see this.
So pretty much I'm that guy. I just tough a couple tech a half.
Waiting on you, Jared.
Thought.